Friends, lock the doors and hide the keys. It's fuego time.
Guys, good time. Snowed in again, guys. I'm snowed in now, word. Still got this sneaker, guys. Something is up with me. Every time I'm about to snow in, I always like, where the hell did I park? That's crazy. Yeah, it's about to get crazy, guys. Every time I'm snowed in, I'm always with the sneakers. That's so crazy. Oh, I gotta park somewhere else. Jesus, where the hell could I park? That's crazy. If I know, I would have parked over there already. But I don't want to walk all the way. I got the handicap. I could park right here. I'm handicap. Guys, I'm handicap. Yo, what is this? Oh, shoot. Yeah, I'm really parking for, guys. This is the back. And this was the back. Cause I'm back. Oh, yeah. It's crazy. Jesus Christ. Yo, she was white. I was like, yo, look at this guy. I told the lady, I'd be like, yo, it's like Christmas already. I'd be like, yo, I'm gonna sleep in the car. She said, you're gonna freeze to death. I'd be like, good, I'm from the city. I could sleep in the car. So I go back from the front over there. They give me a room and all that. That's nice. First time my job give me a room. When I went to Tennessee, we had the tour bus in Tennessee. When I went to Baton Rouge a couple of years ago, bunch of years ago, back in 2015. But this is probably the second job that gave me a nice comfort and okay comfort to crash. Look at the car over there, guys. I might be shooting. Oh shit. Look at that shit, guys. I have to pull up somewhere. I can't. This ain't the back. This is the kitchen right there. Oh, my car is buried, yo. This is crazy. Get out of this. I gotta get out anyway. I gotta get out this way because these people gonna keep burying me. Think that this shit is soft. I'm not trying to clean this. Look at this. I can't clean this right now. But I could get back in the building from this. And from getting back to the building, I don't have to turn around. I could just use the employee code to get in right there. That's how I got in every morning. In that little red dot right there. Anyway, guys, look at me. Guys, this is where I was gonna sleep tonight. Yo! Oh my god. I think I have the boot in here. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, look at this guy pulling up, showing off. Oh my god. Guys, it's crazy. What's going on here? Oh my god, I almost left this open, guys. I forgot, yo. Oh, crazy. It's crazy. Yeah, I'm out of snow. Look at this. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Back it up, back it up, back it up. I ain't cleaning all that snow. Look at that, they got the whole company, guys, that come in. Snow the employees in. But that's the hope I got it now. They got the truck. They got the people that come snow the employee in. So you can still look at it. It's like, oh my God. Let's close this thing right here. I'm gonna smoke some little weed. Make sure I fill up the tank like I told her. Fill that shit up today. I only put $30 or 40. One of them. These people strong. I really don't gotta go to sleep. My room is upstairs. Oh God, that's a lot going on here. Yo, it's got mad Haitians. Yo, that no lie. I don't wanna say the name of the place, but this job has mad Haitians. It's crazy. Mad Haitians. Haitian one. I was just coming down just now and see a Haitian with food up. I'm like, this nigga must live it. He was in his food up. It's crazy. Look at the back. The back is crazy. Let's fix that. I'm saying, that's good. I put my gas today because I know this gonna happen. Guys, this was my plan. I wanted to be like, I wanted to see if I stay in this car with these guys with the heat blasting all night, would I die? What you guys think? I don't think I would have died. I could fix this too. You gotta put the window down, but we're not doing that right now. I would not die. Look at my gas tank, full of gas. By the time, in my opinion, by the time this gas is like halfway, because I could really think about it, but I'm not gonna do math right now. All right, guys, this is part one for the snow. I might be here tomorrow too, guys, because I already made the deal with the people at work. I'll be like, they say you could get a room today. I say, okay. What about tomorrow? Can I get a room tomorrow too? Or should I just go home now? They say, okay, tomorrow you good, same room. I say, all right, say that. Guarantee, man. I like guarantees. I also didn't eat for the past 8 hours just now, guys. I didn't eat since 8 o'clock. 12 hours, almost 12 hours. Since like 10 o'clock, I didn't eat. That guy real close. He's going all around. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell.
Friends, 3 hours later, in the blizzard, I'm still there. I wanted to sleep in the car. Don't forget. Friends, the next day, I'm thinking I'm lucky to go home. Yeah, okay. I'm still snowed in. Check this out. Check this out. What would you do?
Look
Bow.
what they did to my car. Oh, shit. Yo, I don't understand. Should have parked right here like I said I would. I posted something out there. Hell, I'm gonna clean this. Probably not gonna clean it. I need to get out. It's crazy. And look how boys right here. This is I'm so confused. Oh, employee of the month got his own parking. Employee of the month got his own parking. I'm not. The employee of the month got its own parking lot. I have to be employee of the month. Oh God, I can't even see. All right, let me see what's happening.